guys, welcome back to my channel. This is 顿顿说中文，我是顿顿，你们好。Today, as you can see in the title, we are gonna talk about different of sports. But actually, me personally, I don't like workout at all. I don't like sports. I think it's only sports. I'm not very sure whether I can call it a sport. The only thing I enjoy is maybe going for a little walk after dinner. And besides that, nothing I like. I hate running the most, but yeah, swimming or table tennis, yes, I can do that a little bit, but I can't say I really like them. Okay, now let's talk. Let's get started. So as I said, I like going for a little walk the most. So I'm gonna start from go for a little walk, which is 散步. Okay. And the part I hate is running. 跑步. So I can say 我很喜欢散步. 但是我不喜欢跑步。Okay, again, 我很喜欢散步，但是我不喜欢跑步。Then I think we do have yoga, right? Maybe a lot of you guys do yoga. So which is sounds just like yoga. It's 瑜伽。So I can say 我们有的时候在家里练瑜伽。我们有的时候 or 我们有时候 means sometimes. So 我们有时候在家里练瑜伽。Sometimes we do yoga at home. Again, 有时候我们在家里练瑜伽。Okay, next one I think is karate. Karate is 空手道。So if you can do that, you can say 我会空手道。Or maybe Pilates. I think it's just like the same. We just translation it the same pronunciation into Chinese, which is 普拉提. Tell me if you enjoy doing that. Okay, now I think we can move on to all the sports that are related to balls. So ball is 球. In Chinese, it's 球. For example, I think we can say balloon. Balloon is a ball full of gas, right? So we can say 气球, because 气 means gas. For example, I can say 生气 means angry. I can say 我很生气, I'm very angry. 我很生气. And 气 in here means gas, or like air, we can say air. 空气. So 气球 is the ball full of gas or full of air, will be balloon. 气球. So, and there are a lot of sports related to this character. We use it at the end. For example, basketball. 篮球. And table tennis. 乒乓球, or you can just say ping pong, right? It's 乒乓球. And soccer, 足球. And tennis is 网球. Volleyball, 排球. And I think we also have badminton, 羽毛球. Because I think we learned in our last video, 毛 means fur, and 羽毛 means refers to the fur of the bird. Also, I think we all have play the pool or like billiards. It's 桌球, because 桌子 桌 means table, so it's 桌球. Okay. Let me check. Maybe we still have bowling. It's bowling. The same. We just translated from bowling, I think, which is 保龄球. So now let's review one more time about all the balls. Start from 乒乓球, table tennis. 乒乓球 乒乓球. Then we have tennis, 网球, 网球. Because 网 here means net. For example, we can say, maybe go on the internet, 上网. So I think next one will be volleyball. Volleyball is 排球. And badminton, 羽毛球. And soccer, 足球. And 篮球, basketball, 篮球. Okay, and 桌球, pool or billiards is 桌球. Okay, also we do have bowling, 保龄球. And I want you to remember, when we describe these sports, we use different verb. Because, for example, when we play basketball or like we play table tennis, we use our hand, right? So we say 打篮球, play basketball, 打篮球. We use the verb hit, 打. For example, 打羽毛球, play badminton. I can ask you, 晚上去打羽毛球吗？晚上去打羽毛球吗 means, do you want to go to play badminton tonight? Or 你晚上想去打桌球吗？ Do you want to, play the pool at tonight? So you can say, 好啊 okay, 我们去打羽毛球吧 Let's go to play badminton. 我们去打羽毛球吧 But if we say like play soccer, which is we use our feet to kick, right? Which is so we need to use different verb. It's kick, 踢. So again, we can say 踢足球. So we can say 外面 outside 很多人在踢足球. There's so many people are, play soccer or football. So this is the part of all the all the sports that we use with 球. And now move on to we use for example dance. It's 跳舞. So I don't know if you guys know that in China, some old people, they really enjoying do one dance after dinner, I think, or in the morning. Square dance, which is 广场舞. So if you want to say like 广场舞, it's the name of that type of dance. So we can say 跳广场舞. For example, 我妈妈 my mom, 我妈妈晚上跳广场舞. 我妈妈晚上跳广场舞. Okay, so also we high jump. High jump is high is 高, so we say 跳高. So long jump is 跳远, because 远 means far. So again, high jump 跳高 and far jump 跳远. Long jump, actually it's long jump, sorry. 跳远 and 跳舞 dance, square dance 广场舞. And I don't know if you guys know 太极. Do you know 太极? And actually the right pronunciation is 太极. So we can say 公园里 in the park. 公园里有很多人在打太极. Okay. I think we still have 跳水. So 跳 is jump, 水 is water. Now you can guess 跳水 means, it means diving, but it's not like diving in the ocean. I don't know how to say that one. It's maybe in some sports during the Olympic Games, you just jump from the like a top station and right into the water, which is 跳水. And if you want to say diving in the ocean, which is 潜水. Again, 潜水. Also, I think we have surfing, 冲浪. So I think we can also say surfing on the internet, 在网上冲浪. But you know, 在海边冲浪 will be right too. You can like surfing near, you know, by the seaside, which is 海边. So again, we can say 夏天的时候 when it's summer, 我很喜欢去冲浪. I really like, you know, going to surfing. 我很喜欢去冲浪. But it's just like in December. I can't do that. I'm kind of scared of the ocean actually. And I think the next one we can say ice skating. Ice is 冰, so 滑. When we do ice skating, it's basically like slide on the ice. So slide, the verb is 滑, or like slippery, I can say. So it's like 滑冰, ice skating. So ski is slide on the snow. So snow is 雪. So ski we say 滑雪. Okay, I think maybe that's cover pretty much all the sports that we need to learn today. And also, I think when we do all the sports, right, we go to certain place. For example, if we need to 运动，如果我们要运动 or 健身，运动和健身 means work out. So I can say, 我去健身房运动 means so 健身房 means the gym. So 我去健身房运动 or 我去健身房健身. So remember, 健身房 is the gym. And if we want to say swimming, 游泳 we can say 游泳馆 swimming pool 游泳馆. Or I think 游泳馆 it's more like it's an indoor one swimming pool. But if outside, you can just say 游泳池 it's just a huge sink 游泳池. And if you want to say go to the stadium, which is 体育馆 or 体育场 Again, if you say something at 馆, it means it's an indoor one and interior one. And if it's like open, you use 场, for example, 体育场 or 运动场 And I think it's the same when we say 篮球馆 or 篮球场 篮球馆 indoor one, interior one. 篮球场 it's open one. And I think that's pretty much all of it. Or surfing. If you want to surfing, you need to go to the ocean, right? Ocean is 大海. But if you want to say the beach, the seaside, it will be 海边. So 你可以说 again, 夏天的时候我去海边冲浪. Alright, now let's review all of it together. Start from since I really like it's going for a little walk. 散步. And the part I hate is running. 跑步. 我不喜欢跑步. I don't like running or I hate running. 讨厌. 我讨厌跑步. How about you? 你们呢? And I think next one is everything related to ball. Ball in Chinese is 球. And balloon, 气球. And table tennis is 乒乓球. Tennis, 网球. Soccer, 足球. And badminton, 羽毛球. Because 羽毛 means the fur of the bird. And we can say 桌球, pool or billiards. 桌球, because 桌子 means table. And also we have bowling, 保龄球. Okay, next move on to other, we use the word jump, 跳. Wait, first one, 跳舞. 跳舞 and square dance 广场舞 so 跳广场舞 actually I think there's one more 肚皮舞肚皮 means remember last time we learned 皮 is the skin right so 肚皮 is belly 肚皮舞 belly dance 肚皮舞 and I think high jump high is tall so we say 跳高or like long jump 跳远 or like diving 跳水 like diving right into the water like 跳水 and maybe diving in the seaside you need to wear all this equipment which is 潜水 and surfing 冲浪 ice skating ice is being 滑冰 and ski 滑雪 and also if you prefer the sports more gentle we have yoga 瑜伽 and Pilates also we have some more maybe more violent I don't know if I can use violent because I don't know how to do that which is karate 空手道 okay and if you are you want to do these sports you need to go to the right place right so we have the gym 健身房 because 健身 and 运动 both means workout 健身房 for example 你一个星期去几次健身房一个星期 means 1 week 去几次健身房 so how many times do you go to the gym every week me personally it's 0 okay 0 健身房 okay next one is 体育场 or 体育馆 remember when you use 馆 it means it's closed it's a indoor one and it's open you use 场体育场 just like 篮球场 like the basketball field and 体育馆 also we have 游泳馆 or 游泳池游泳 means swimming like 游泳池 remember we learned in our kitchen video I think which we learned sink is 水池 so 池子 is like small the sink so we can say 游泳池 or 游泳馆 personally I think I know a little bit 游泳我会游泳但是 but 冬天太冷了 it's too cold in winter so I don't swimming a lot 我不去游泳 and I think that's pretty much all for today I know it's a little bit much for you to remember one time but that's okay just you can maybe try to watch a few times about this video and I will leave a picture later about all the words we are learning today. You can use it to review by yourself or to practice. I think if you use it in your daily life, it will help you, to remember quicker. Alright guys, that's pretty much all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Again, this is 顿顿说中文，我是顿顿。If you like my videos and you are looking forward to more videos about Chinese learning, you're welcome to subscribe my channel and give a like. And if you do have any question or advice for me, please leave a message below. And I will respond as soon as possible. See, I'm really fluent today. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye. See you in my next video.